Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create wood logo effect in Adobe Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select these two images. And hit open. Cool. Now drag and drop this PNG logo to main window. Hit Ctrl T for transform selection and increase the logo by holding Alt and Shift buttons. And press enter. Perfect. Decrease the fill value to 25%. Now go to blending modes and choose color burn. Then go to layer styles and choose bevel and emboss. Here select the inner bevel in style options. And also chisel harden technique options. Increase the depth value to 120%. You can also increase or decrease the depth value, that depends on your image size. Select the down option. Change the angle value to 120 degrees. Decrease the opacity value to 50%. Cool. Now the time to go for the inner shadow options. Select the inner shadow. Increase the distance value to 18 pixels. Choke value to 20%. Size to 24 pixels. You can increase or decrease all these options, depends on your image size. Perfect. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.